Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you how to make Farmhouse primitive fabric carrots. We have a free pattern for you to print in a description. First, pin and cut out 2 pieces for each carrot you want to make. Then place some pretty sides together and pin the 2 long sides. By hand or by machine, stitch the 2 long sides using the presser foot as your guide. Make sure you pivot at the point and make sure you backstitch at the beginning and the end. To hot glue your carrot together, hot glue a thin strip along the 2 long edges with the pretty sides together. Glue about 2 inches and then press the fabrics together. And then glue another 2 inches and press the fabrics together. You don't want to glue the entire 2 long sides of the carrots and then press them together, because by that point, the glue will be almost dry. So it's best when hot gluing fabric to work with 2 inches at a time. We're going to leave the top open. Next, gently turn your carrot pretty side out and poke out the bottom of the carrot with a pencil or chopstick. Now you can stuff your carrot. You can use craft stuffing or cut up quilt batting. If you're on a tight budget, cut up old sweaters, socks, or towels will work just fine. At the top of the carrot, using a hand needle, baste a running stitch and pull the threads tight. If you're gluing your carrot together, place some greenery in the opening at the top of the carrot and place a hot glue dot at the opening of the carrot. Carefully squish or gather the fabric around the greenery and hold it in place for a few seconds until the glue dries. Now you can knot your threads. Insert your greenery into the top of the carrot and then add a dot of hot glue to hold it in place. The final touch to finish off our charming country fabric carrots is to tie a bow around the top from jute rope. You now have a rustic carrot to display in your home this spring and Easter. Now you can take the time and make a bunch of carrots and place them in a basket for a charming centerpiece for spring.